Hey guys, it's Brad with Vintage Axe Revival. How you doing today? Well, I got a special box here from Mr. Liam Hoffman at Hoffman Blacksmithing, Roan Mountain, Tennessee. Liam reached out to me and said, hey, we have some new handles coming out, and I'd love it if I could send you a couple, and you could share what your thoughts are with the world. So we got the box and we're going to unbox them. So I'm really into watches, and a big thing in the watch industry is doing unboxings. So we're going to do that. And I'll be able to share my opinion right up front with you guys. Now, these are geared more towards the vintage restorations I do, and not throwing axes and stuff like that. But so for some of you guys, it might not interest you, but for some of you it does. I don't know if you guys know this, but these are potato based. If you lick them and stick them, they stick to each other. They're actually potato starch. So those are biodegradable peanuts that Hoffman Blacksmithing uses. Ooh, it's got some weight to it. Now, I have no idea what these are going to look like or what they're... I kind of have an idea of what's in the box, and I also ordered a handle for a restoration that I'm doing right now, a 15-inch, so that's what that is. But the other ones are the ones he sent me. So, let's do this. Get the box out of the way and unwrap these babies. We got a short one and a long one. They come very nicely wrapped in paper. That is one thing I've always experienced with Hoffman, is that they take a lot of care in their packaging of the products. I mean, it is a premium axe handle, and they do give you a premium experience for sure. Wow. Well, you look at that. Hoffman handles. It's an octagonal. I love that he's leaving this butt end unfinished, because one of the biggest issues with really nice handles like this is when you're seating the head, breaking the handle. And this gives me the chance to cut this and shape it the way I want to. But wow, beautifully thin. This is actually, I don't know, it would work for a double bit or a single bit, it looks like. Lightly oiled, perfect grain orientation. Yeah, this is really beautiful. I think this one's like 28, probably. I don't have my tape measure in here, but about 28 inches. That's really very nice. All right, let's take a look at the other one. And this one is a double bit handle. Very, very nice. Wow. Finished perfectly. Really is. I mean, you don't have to do anything to this. Just put a head on it and start swinging it. Man. The end is waxed. Interesting. both ends are waxed. That's pretty cool. That would prevent it from drying out, by the way. If you wax the end grain on both ends. Yeah, that is a really great looking handle. And it is a double bit. All right. Well, guys, Hoffman's obviously making some new stuff that you should probably check out. If you've never tried their hatchet handles are really great. And there you go. Beautiful little 16 or 15 inch handle. I like the new branding that they're doing. It's subtle. It's laser, looks like it's laser etched, laser engraved. Anyways, guys, there you go. Thank you to Liam Hoffman at Hoffman Blacksmithing. You guys make exceptional product, and I've always been proud to use your handles on my restorations. So there you go, guys. Check out Hoffman Blacksmithing. Check out their online store for really great handle assortment, high quality, as nice as any custom handle you're going to have made, if not nicer. Yeah. All right, guys. You have an awesome day. Brad with Vintage Axe Revival. See ya.